In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to record voiceover audio in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you're a seasoned video editor or someone just starting out, integrating high-quality audio into your project is crucial. Today, we'll explore how you can achieve that by recording your voiceover using external software and then bringing it into DaVinci Resolve for editing. Let's get started by recording your voiceover using external software like Audacity or Adobe Audition. These programs are fantastic for capturing clear and crisp audio because they offer a range of tools to refine your voice recording precisely how you want it. When choosing your software, consider what features you might need, such as noise reduction or equalization. Once you've selected your preferred program, set up your microphone, ensure your recording environment is as quiet as possible to minimize background noise, and then hit record. After you've captured your voiceover, it's time to save the audio file. You'll likely want to save it in a high quality format such as WAV or MP3. WAV files are generally preferred for their lossless quality, which means the audio won't lose any of its fidelity when you save it. However, MP3 files can be useful if you need a smaller file size. Whichever format you choose, make sure to save your file in a location where you can easily find it later. Now that your audio file is ready, we move on to importing it into DaVinci Resolve. First, open your project in Resolve and navigate to the media pool. This is where you'll manage all your project's media files. To import your audio file, you can either drag and drop it directly into the media pool or use the import function within the software. Once it's in the media pool, you'll see your audio file alongside your video clips ready for editing. Next, place your audio on the timeline and sync it with your video. Simply drag the audio file from the media pool onto your timeline. Aligning your voiceover with your video is a key step, as it ensures that what you're saying matches what's happening on screen. Take your time to adjust the timing and make use of the zoom function in Resolve to get precise with your placements. If your voiceover includes specific cues or beats, you may want to use markers to help you sync everything perfectly. Using external audio tools but editing in DaVinci Resolve can be incredibly useful, especially if you're already comfortable with a particular audio program but want to leverage the powerful video editing capabilities of Resolve. By following these steps, you can ensure that your voiceover audio is both high quality and perfectly integrated into your video project. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to record and integrate voiceover audio in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now feeling more confident in your ability to create professional quality videos with exceptional audio. Thank you for watching and happy editing.